Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to our channel and welcome to another video where in today's one we're taking a look at the Whop website. I'll be explaining to you guys how can you file for a refund or how can you request a refund on the Whop website. So let's jump right into it. First things first, you'll open up the Whop website on your web browser. Make sure that you're also connected or logged in with your preferred account. Now to continue, in the bottom left corner, you'll click on this menu icon and then click on Help and Support. This will take you to the settings right here on the right hand side. And now this right now is in a different language. However, to request a refund, there is this article that says how to request a refund. You will click on it and there is your tutorial. So right here, you'll see the table of contents. So start off by signing into your Whop account. Go to whop.me settings and memberships. Select your purchase and click on request a refund. So on the left hand side, click on your profile. Go to memberships right here and you will select your active purchase on this page. Right now, I do not have it. And once you select it, you will click on request a refund and follow the on-screen instructions and details to submit your case. The Resolution Center serves as a direct channel for communication, so you will be notified once they have seen and evaluated your request. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, leave it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.